Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Despite reports that Chengdu's lockdown is decreasing, Chinese equities have underperformed the rest of Asia Pacific. Australia, Hong Kong, and Taiwan all saw modest gains. The Stoxx 600 has risen fractionally after falling 2.4% in the last two sessions. The U.S. futures are slightly higher. The major currencies are usually 0.2% less than they were the previous day. Similar results can be seen for emerging market currencies. Yesterday, gold fell below $1,700 and continues to fall today. To reach the low of $1,685, it has tested the area around late July near 1680. December WTI is now trading at $87 after it saw a 1.3% decrease in yesterday's gain. Asian Pacific market. Unadjusted, Japan's trade deficit increased by 22% in August to 2.82 trillion Japanese yen. This is a record-breaking shortfall and the 13th consecutive month of deficit. Today, the dollar consolidates in a JPY 142.80 to 143.80 range. It trades within yesterday's range. The August jobs report for Australia was mixed. Australia's August jobs report was mixed. After losing nearly 41,000 jobs in July, Australia saw a 33,500 increase in August. This was close to expectations. Details were even better with a nearly 59,000 increase in full-time jobs. The number of part-time jobs fell slightly by 25,000. Yesterday's Australian dollar recovery was extended, but sellers were still lurking at $0 and 6,770 cents to cap it. Market of Europe. The EC resisted the call for a cap on natural gas prices, and this disappointment appears to be helping to lift prices today. A cap on profits for low-cost producers and a limit on fossil fuel producers are both proposed to raise 140 billion euros. This will be used to offset the effects of rising energy prices. In the hope of negotiating a lower natural gas price, the EC will start formal negotiations with Norway. The euro traded in a range of 2 cents on Tuesday and is trading today in a range of less than half of a cent below $1. Sterling trades quietly too, but it is limited to a range of just a little more than half a cent and above $1 and 1,500 cents. Market of America. After the inflation reports from the previous two sessions, real sector data are in the spotlight today with August retail sales and industrial production. Although headline retail sales fell due to falling gasoline prices, they are expected to rise by 0.5% excluding autos. This would match the average for 2019, but it would be the slowest since November last year. Industrial output looks softer. This is because of the decline in manufacturing output. Yesterday, the US dollar briefly climbed above CAD 1.32. It is now consolidating in a narrow range between CAD 130.155 to 131.85. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.